All right, so we're rolling, huh? Hello, hello, hello. Okay. Hi, my name is Julie Yarbrough. I teach both Photo 1 and Photo 2, the 4-week and the Express classes. I'm a freelance photographer. I specialize in PR, corporate and actors' headshots, and special events. I teach Photo 1 and Photo 2 because I'd like to help students to better understand their equipment and to learn the basics of exposure. So my philosophy is practice, 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 practice. Who should take a class here? Anyone that wants to learn about their equipment, about how to better use their DSLR. So everyone should take a class, young, old. Yeah, anyone that wants to learn should definitely take a class here at ASOP. We're a lot of fun, you will learn a ton, and you'll keep coming back for more.